morning, learners. So in this particular session we'll be learning about the problem on special type of hexagonal lamina. Right, as I told, when do I call this as a special type? Because when they do not give you the angles on the lamina with respect to HP and VP, then I call it as a special type. It is not a beta angle again. So a regular hexagonal lamina of sides 25 mm is lying in such a way that one of its sides on HP, right? So it is one of its sides on HP. So while the side opposite to the side on which it rests on VP, if the lamina makes 60 degree with HP, draw the positions of the lamina. As I told, let us divide this problem in 3 different segments. So first, is it edge condition or corner condition? Parallelly, we will also check for VP or HP. So read the first statement. A regular hexagonal lamina of sides 25 mm is lying in such a way that one of its sides on HP. So one of its sides is on HP. So it is a side given, so it is edge condition. Since it is placed on HP, you need to draw the hexagonal lamina below XY line. Simple. So edge condition below XY line. Next, project it on XY line. Then second condition should be with respect to HP. As I told, if the first condition is with respect to HP, second is also with respect to HP. So find out the inclination to HP. It is 60 degree given. The third condition is not given. So how to identify this? So you have to find in the question to what is resting on VP or what is inclined to VP. So if I read the statement, it states that in the second segment is given, while the side opposite to this side, while the side that you take to the left, opposite to this side is the opposite side here, it rests on VP. So I have to take the rest side here and place it on XY line. So we will see third condition later in the later part. So let us start with the problem here, right? So let me draw XY line here, first XY line. See, it is a simple procedure to follow. Please do not get confused. X, Y, VP, HP, right? So a simple problem. So let me draw a hexagon here. So if I need to draw an hexagon, there are many methods to draw the hexagon here. So I use a pencil compass method here to draw the hexagon. That means a circle method. I am using a circle method. So what is the length of the side given here? It is, they have given you 25 mm side. So I'll take 25 mm as the side here, 25 as the radius here. So I'll draw a circle. So let me draw a circle here, taking 25 mm as the side here. So it should be a very thin circle. Right? So now how to get a sides on the towards the left here. So when they have given you towards the left here, what you have to do is just find out the diameter here. Since I've taken this as the center here, so this is the diameter point here. So I'll take the same side, I'll cut an arc here. Okay, on either side I'm going to cut an arc. Similarly on the other side I'm going to do the same way here. Draw the arcs here, and you get all the arcs on it. So what we need to do is join all these corners here. Right, all right, yes, we'll name this. So let me name the chronological order here, counterclockwise: A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, right, so let me dimension this before starting. So it is, the given side is 25 mm, right? So let me project it upwards to find out the rest of the points here on the front view here. So let me project A to XY line, B to XY line, C to XY line. If I project D, it is already projected, E already projected, F already projected. So let me name this. So if I look in this direction, I cannot see D, E, F. Instead I can see A, B, C. So A dash here, F dash in bracket, B dash, E dash in bracket, C dash, D dash in bracket. So I've named it. So let me join all this by a visible line. Hexagon is very much easy compared to your pentagon. The thing is you have one more extra point here on the corner here, right? So now what is the next condition given? Second condition. So since first condition is with respect to HP, second condition should also be with respect to HP. So what we'll do is we'll take the angle that is given to HP here. I'm going to take this point here. Let me mark this, the angle as 60 degree, because they have given the question. I've taken 60 degrees here. So I had taken this point here. So let me project this. By a very thin line, So this angle is 60 degrees. Right, the angle is 60 degree here. So let me give the angle as 60 degree here. The angle is 60 degrees. So now project, find out the other points here. So you know the points here on XY line, the 2 points are A dash and F dash. So simply I can write it here, which is A dash, F dash in bracket. So we'll find out the rest of the points here. So A to B. So what I'll do is I'll place this as the center. I'll draw an arc. Right. So similarly, C to D. C dash, D dash to A dash, F dash. I'll take this A dash, F dash as the center. I've drawn the arc here. Okay. So let me cross verify once again this B dash and A dash. So take this as the center. Yes. Right. So now name the other 2 points here, which is B dash, E dash, C dash, D dash in bracket. Okay. So these are the points. Now simply project downwards. To obtain the top view here. So A to A. Project it then and there itself. Please do not project simply and extend the lines. Most of the times I have been saying this. Erase of the unwanted lines. Next, always project in a chronological order. So this is B. So C, project C also. C is here, right? A, B, C. Now project D. D is here. I'm projecting F, or before that we'll project E, because I'm following the same procedure. E, if I project F, it has already been projected here, but D to F I need to connect. Simple. So let me name this and then join. So this becomes A, B, C, D, E and F here. See, if you project then and there itself, it is visible, and naming becomes easy for you. Right, now let me join this again with the chronological order. See, if you follow the same procedure always, you will not be confused with any of the conditions here. Otherwise sometimes you may go wrong. So always follow the procedure. That is very much important in engineering drawing. Right? Fine. Very good. Right. So you have got the second condition also. I hope very much clear with these 2 conditions. Let us move on to the third condition. I made sufficient space available for the third condition here. Now what is the third condition given? If you read the third condition, somewhere it says that while the side opposite to the side that on which it rests on VP, right? So this edge is resting, A dash F dash is resting. When you come back here, AF is towards the left. When you come back, AF is towards the left. That is how you cross verify this. So if I take edge here, there should be 2 points here. If I take corner here, there should be only 1 point. You can check with any of the problem that you have already solved, it will be same. Right, AF should be placed onto VP now, correct? So AF, if I take AF here, see, if I take AF here, let us read the question once again, okay? So while the side opposite to the side on which it rests on VP, right, the side that is opposite to this side opposite to this side is CD, he is resting on VP, that is what he says. So side opposite to this edge is CD, so CD should be placed here. But here what happened is I cannot place the first condition here, I have to place the second condition. This condition is to obtain this, so this condition I am using this to obtain the third condition. So CD should be placed here on XY line and obtain the hexagon and proceed upwards. Simple, very simple. So what I need to do here is, first place the point CD. How do you place the point CD? Take any arbitrary point on C. So take any arbitrary point on XY line, this C here. So C or D. So let me take D here, D here. Okay, I'm simply marking this for my reference, nothing else. So CD, let me take CD, it should be 25. It should be 25. So if I take this D, C onto the right, I get C onto the right. So let me name this. You cannot name above explain because this is top view, should be named below this. So this becomes D and this becomes C. How to obtain the other points? I know it is very easy for you. So let me take C to first chronological order, that is A. So C to A I am going to draw, which is perpendicular, correct? If you consider A is perpendicular to C, so I can draw the arc, draw a perpendicular line. Next C to B, C to B. So C to B, I'm going to get somewhere here. Let us see. Next D to A, I can find out A or simply perpendicular line. So I'm doing by center, by arc by center point here. So I'm going to get it here. Very good. Now D to B, I'll measure. So taking D as the center. So I'm cutting an arc here. I've cut the arc here. So I've got two points here. Next C to E, D to E, correct? Next C to F, D to F. So it is perpendicular, so not at all a problem. I'm going to get it here. So I've got the external points here. So let me name this. If I rotate the CD here, so B and A are these 2 points. So this must be A, B, C, D, E and F. So take your time to name this, understand this, okay, and then only you can draw it. So join A to B, B to C. For all the problems you have to follow the same method, okay. You can memorize it, you can keep repeating the steps. E to F and F to A, right? So you can explain yourself how to draw this, right? Now the next step is very much simple. Just project upwards and find out the points. Very simple. So let me project this starting from A, C both lie on the same line. So A is on XY line, B is above that. So project this B and B dash here in this particular case. Next C is at the top here. You can erase off the extra lines, please do that, right? So D again is on the top here. Next E is somewhere here. F is on XY line, okay. So now name it A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash. Okay, A dash and F dash should not lie below XY line because that is the front view. So let me join with the chronological order. Make sure that none of the alphabets are overlapping. B to C, C to D, D to E, and E to F. Finally, F to A also you should draw it to make it visible. Right? So this completes the solution. I've made sure that whatever the data that they have given in the particular problem in the question, I have represented all the data here. They have given me only 25 mm and 60 degrees as the data. That is what I've done. Okay, so this is how you're going to draw a hexagonal lamina. Right. So in the next session, we'll be learning about how to solve the rectangular plates or different kinds of problems on rectangular plates, and bit complicated ones. Okay. I hope you can solve this problem. Please do complete all the problems in your sketchbook, and once when you come back to college, you'll be evaluated with the sketchbook and will be assigned marks, 24 marks for your sketchbook. Please do not forget to draw in your sketchbook. Okay, take your time, understand, complete this. I hope everyone have understood the concepts. If you have any clarifications, you can contact me. Thank you so much for watching.